When your home needs a transformation, Probuild Contracts is here to bring it back to life. From the moment our skilled team arrives, we take on every detail, ensuring your home is restored to its full potential. Our roofing experts secure and repair any damage, making sure your home is safe and protected. Next, we tackle the chimney, making it as good as new. No detail is too small for us, from fascias to guttering and downpipes, keeping your home weatherproof and looking sharp. We also specialise in rendering, giving your walls a smooth, durable finish, while our stone masonry team brings craftsmanship to every stone. Worried about damp? We've got that covered too, with expert damp proofing to protect your home from moisture. Finally, we add the perfect finishing touches with exterior painting, giving your home a fresh, clean look. Probuild Contracts, expert craftsmanship, total transformation.